Today I'm going to show you how to extract numerical data from this viewport. Okay, so let's see. Let's assume that we have stresses on the viewport, and we are seeing uh, the control plot of stress. Okay. Now let's assume that I want to see that what is the number on this at some node. What is the value of stress on some node? So let's say this node. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, let's say this node. What is the value of the stress? Okay, so what we have to do is, let's go to tool and click on query. Okay, now click on node. Okay, now you have to click on probe values. Okay, a window have opened. Now let's move your cursor pointer on the viewport, and you will see here you can select element to nodes, so you can see the stresses on the nodes. Look at this. Okay, and let's select this one. Selected this one, and the values are here. Okay, the value of one mice's stress is 63.54 on that node. So the node ID is this, the coordinate is this, the coordinate of the node, and original coordinate and deformed coordinate is this. Okay, and the elements which are attached to that node uh, are these. Okay, so these are the numbers of the ID of the elements. Okay, there are many more, and this is the one minus stress at that node. So this is how you probe the value. That means this is how you extract the value at a specific node. Okay, you can write to the file, or you can just note it down, and that's easier. That you can note this data. Okay, now let me show you another example. Let's select strain. Okay, what is the strain at some point? So again, click on probe value. Now you will see maximum principal strain is showing here, and move your cursor to move your pointer to some node, any node. Let's say this node 582. Okay, the node ID is 582. Watching maximum principal stress, there are six values corresponding to the six elements which are attached to this node. Okay, so let's see if I select element and click OK. Now let's see, let's select this element. Okay, so you will see two values of the maximum principal strain corresponding to that element. Okay, so this is how you extract the uh, numerical data from the viewport. Okay, and similarly you can see displacements also. Probe value, I will select node probably, and click on this. Okay, so you will see that this displacement is zero point 0.2 on that node. Okay, and okay, this is how you extract the numerical data from the viewport.